The magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Now let us take two magnets. In between them, attraction is exist and repulsion also exist. When the attraction takes place between unlike poles, attraction takes place. Between like poles, repulsion force takes place. But which is the best test or which is the sure test? Attraction or repulsion? Repulsion is the sure test. Okay. Between the like charges, repulsion force is present. Between unlike charges, attraction force is present. But how much that force? To calculate that, scientist Coulomb is derived one equation. Already we are studied his law in case of a charges. He was given the principle not only for a charges, he is also given a equation for the pole strength of the magnets also. Now what is the equation for it? Now we want to discuss. Now let us take two bar magnets. This bar magnet pole strength M1, why the first one it is. This bar magnet pole strength is M2, why? It is a second magnet, that's why. The first bar magnet pole strength is M1. Second bar magnet pole strength is M2. So repulsion is the sure test. That's why we make some distance between them. Now what about the force? Force between pole strengths. Force between pole strength. Again between I am taken. Sorry. Force between pole strength of. Force between pole strength of two magnets is proportional to product of their pole strengths. First magnet pole strength is M1. Second magnet pole strength is M2. That's why force between pole strengths of two magnets is proportional to product of their pole strength. Mathematical expression F proportional to M1 and M2, take equation 1. And not only that, force between poles of bar magnet or magnets is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Second one, force between poles of the magnets is inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Mathematical expression F proportional to 1 by R square. Take equation 2. From 1 comma 2, F proportional to M1 M2 by R square. If you remove the proportionality, what we can get? One constant. By removing the proportionality, we get constant. What is that constant? Mu 0 by 4 pi. So what is the Coulomb's law for the poles of the bar magnet is F is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi m1 m2 by r square. F is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi m1 m2 by r square. This is the equation for force between the poles of the magnet. In this one, what is mu 0? Permeability in free space. What is mu 0? Mu 0 is the permeability in free space. Its value is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. Mu 0 value is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. Okay, this principle is applicable when the free space is present between the poles. If any media is exist between the magnets, the force is change. Now what about the force? F is equal to mu by 4 pi m1 m2 by r square. If any media is exist between the poles, the mu is also taken as mu 0 into mu r. Mu is taken as mu 0 into mu r by 4 pi m1 m2 by r square. From this, what we can write? Mu r is equal to mu by mu naught. What is mu r? Mu r is called relative permeability. What is mu? Permeability of media. Okay, this is the equation for force between the charges. Okay, this we can use while doing the problems. Otherwise, in the following topics we can use this formula. Means the Coulomb's law is not only for the charges, the Coulomb's law is also for the which one? Magnets.